Loverboy, sou kon ap teks ak yo fi, ou eme an pil, epi konversasyon an toujou ete nan so fe, ak ki jan jounon pase, video sa se pou. Jodi am vin pataje kek kesyon pwisan ki ka ede yo fi ouvri plis sou emosyon li, sou eksperyans li, ak sou sa li vreman pase. Paske pafwa se pa bel parol ki kreye koneksyon, men se bon kesyon yo. Rete avem jist a fe video a. Sou nouvo sou chen sa, isi an nou pale de sediksyon relasyon fi ak gason, sou eme tip video sa yo. Abonne ak chen nan epi aktive kloch la pou pa rate an sou nouvo video myo.
I finally know how to live without hurting myself. I think that I am moving on cause I do feel less broken. I needed a sign, and this is a sign that I'm healing. I'm finally healing from you. I'm finally healing from you. Mistakes, don't mean to come off hardy. I'm just an imperfect person in this imperfect world, but I'm learning my way under this maze that I'm running through. Now when I think of you, I'm fine. See a picture of you, it would eat me alive. And now when I think of you, I'm fine. And all of the wounds that were opened by you are now closing. I finally know how to live without hurting myself.